Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Blockbeat Buzz. Today, we're diving into the world of decentralized physical infrastructure networks and unraveling the mysteries behind DEPIN. DEPIN, or Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network, is a groundbreaking concept that's reshaping the traditional infrastructure management landscape. Unlike the centralized systems we're accustomed to, DEPIN operates on a decentralized network of nodes. These nodes represent a multitude of physical assets and resources, all interconnected to deliver essential services, while significantly reducing dependence on centralized authorities. So, what does this mean for us? It's a monumental shift towards a more resilient, efficient, and accessible infrastructure. By leveraging the power of decentralization, DEPIN is not only transforming how we manage and interact with physical infrastructure, but it's also empowering local communities, fostering innovation, and paving the way for a more sustainable future. Indeed, DEPIN represents a paradigm shift in infrastructure management, empowering communities and fostering sustainable development. Now let's explore how DEPIN works. At the heart of DEPIN are blockchain technology and smart contracts. These twin pillars facilitate peer-to-peer interactions, allowing for the seamless operation of the network. Imagine various physical assets like power grids, transportation systems, and communication networks, all represented as nodes within this network. Each node is a participant in this grand orchestra, playing its part in the symphony of infrastructure management. But how does DEPIN ensure harmony within this vast network? The answer lies in consensus mechanisms and decentralized governance. These tools allow for decisions to be made collectively, ensuring that no single node has disproportionate influence over the network. This democratic approach to governance ensures that every participant, no matter how small, has a voice. And there you have it. DEPIN ensures transparency, security, and interoperability among network participants, fostering a truly inclusive infrastructure ecosystem. Let's talk about some of the key features of DEPIN. At the heart of DEPIN is decentralization. By distributing power and control across a network of nodes, it eliminates any single point of failure, making the network more resilient and reliable. Then, there's the blockchain technology. This provides a secure, transparent, and immutable record of all transactions on the network. It's the backbone of DEPIN, ensuring trust and transparency are maintained at all times. Finally, DEPIN is all about promoting innovation and collaboration. It empowers local communities to take control of their own infrastructure, fostering a sense of ownership and involvement. This can lead to innovative solutions tailored to local needs and circumstances. So, in a nutshell, DEPIN is a game changer. Its decentralized nature enhances resilience and reliability. Its use of blockchain ensures transparency and security, and its focus on local empowerment stimulates innovation and collaboration. Now, how does DEPIN impact infrastructure? Let's delve into that. DEPIN's decentralized model opens up a world of possibilities across various sectors. Consider the energy sector. DEPIN could facilitate the creation of decentralized microgrids, where energy generation and distribution are locally controlled. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces reliance on large, centralized power plants. In transportation, DEPIN could enable peer-to-peer ride-sharing services, circumventing traditional transportation models and making travel more accessible and less costly. And in the realm of telecommunications, DEPIN could lead to decentralized internet service providers, breaking down monopolies and fostering competition. The beauty of DEPIN is its ability to catalyze innovation and collaboration, enabling individuals and communities to take control of their infrastructure. By decentralizing infrastructure management, DEPIN can enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and promote equitable access to essential services. In essence, DEPIN is not just a technology, it's a tool for empowering communities and driving sustainable development. While DEPIN holds tremendous promise, there are also challenges to consider. As with any innovative technology, the road to wide-scale adoption is not without its bumps. One prominent challenge is scalability. As the network grows in size and complexity, maintaining speed and efficiency can become a daunting task. This issue is not unique to DEPIN, but is a common hurdle in the world of decentralized systems. Another challenge lies in the realm of regulation. With DEPIN's novel approach to infrastructure management, existing regulatory frameworks may not be equipped to handle this new paradigm. This can lead to a lack of clarity and potential legal roadblocks. However, these challenges should not overshadow the immense opportunities that DEPIN presents. The hurdles we face today are the stepping stones for the solutions of tomorrow. Ongoing research and collaboration in the field are key to overcoming these obstacles, paving the way for further innovation and adoption. And there you have it, a brief overview of DEPIN and its potential to transform infrastructure as we know it. We've explored how DEPIN works, its key features, and its potential impact on various sectors. We've also touched upon possible challenges and opportunities ahead. Remember, this innovation is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of decentralized technologies is vast and ever-evolving. Subscribe to Blockbeat Buzz for more deep dives into the world of blockchain and decentralized technologies.